butcher of them all, 'cause you're my brother. There we go.
Why don't I get no pictures?
Doug, you're a janitor. Now when it's janitor of a month, you'll get your shot. Plus, you suck.
What? But that jive-ass turkey's lazier than my big mama's eye.
Shut up! Now song recorder Kip Deacon's coming over. We're making Ricky a special secret song.
Bitch, are you for real?
Shut up! Now I know Ricky's a little tough around the hedges, but he loves this shop more than his own fat life. And that, my friend, is Mr. Kip Deacon! Ha ha!
Greetings, Butcher.
Hey!
Janitor.
Yeah! I'll show you.
Hey.
Well, hell yeah, I want them. I mean, my whole life's about chasing them and rating them and dreaming of them. I think it's about time I got my own set.
I asked you if you wanted a drink.
Oh, I thought you said titties.
Bet already.
Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, these implants would look great on me. And what a deal!
I raised $20,000 of money.
Primavera. You don't have that kind of ravioli.
So float me. If I lose, you can have the butcher shop.
Lies.
You have my word. A butcher's word.
Okay, it's a deal. Let's see him.
Okay. But picture me with righteous D's.
No, dummy. Your cards. Royal flush. Beat that.
3 C cups and a pair of D's.
Yahtzee! You moron, I win. You have 1 week to deliver me 20,000 tortellinis, or Sons of Butcher quality meats will be mine.
Actually, I will take that drink.
'Cause you're the butcher of the month. 'Cause you're my brother too.
Whoa, good take, dude.
I broke my finger!
You played high E, Saul. What'd you expect?
A broken saw? Maybe a broken heart. Not my effing finger, Kip. Not my effing finger!
Saul, I need to talk to you. Alone. Now.
Okay. See you, Kip.
Later.
Thanks for helping me record my secret. Taxes?
You don't owe Giorgio dork. You didn't give him the butcher's word or nothing.
I did.
Sam, come here. You really dropped the soap this time, Rickster.
Listen, I was just trying to win cash for fake boobs.
Well, I could have made you those!
Man, what the shit? Saul Butcher #1.
Yeah, I was.
What the hell is this?
It's Meat Club. It's a best of the rest. It's a butcher's contest. Cash prize.
Cash prize? Well, unless it's tonight and the winner gets 20 large, stop talking.
It is, and you do. But I broke my finger recording my taxes.
Who cares? I'll enter the contest.
Damn, fine.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
Damn! What? I've been saturating my ventricles with the meat knowledge, but I just can't get past this one point. How does a cow jump over a moon?
But I'm not a man of science, Doug.
Damn! I never unraveled a mystery to bovine.
Well, you don't need to know the cow's life story to be a butcher. Here, read this dirty, mysterious book of the ages.
A Butcher's Guide to Butchery? You butcher? Barat's Gabode?
You ever heard of the Nazarene? Jesus? Huxtable? Well, Ratzgabode ain't any different. Except his lesson was butchery, not chocolate eggs and candy canes.
Buongiorno, Pinino.
Yo, Papa, what's up?
You can forget about getting your goddamn hands on our shop. I got a secret plan in place to get you your money.
Secret plan?
Yeah, You have no idea what I'm involved in.
Meat Club.
How'd you know that?
I was behind you in the registration line, you Mama Luke.
Yeah, well, I bet I handed my foreman before you.
You did, because I lent you my pen.
Yeah, well, consider that pen stolen.
You asked me if you could have it, and I said yes.
Yeah, well, you're not Italian.
Hey. Burn!
We ain't Italian?
Italian is a state of mind, my son.
Wow.
About the Meat Club, I know Saul's beat us before, but is this Ricky really worth a pizziola?
Unfortunately, yes, Papa, he is good, but you should let him win and take his money.
I don't care about the marinara. I want that shop. Those butchers been a thorn in my cannolis for 20 years. If I can wipe them out, then Giorgio and Kin truly authentic Italian meats will reign supreme in Steeltown. Bellissimo!
I see, Papa. So you want me to make sure Ricky does not compete?
Break his minestrones.
Huh?
Weenies and beanies.
Awesome!
Cut along the center to the milk bag or testicles. Huh. Must be underneath. Reach inside and pull through the anus and bladder? Oh, damn, yo, this be X-rated.
Come here.
Yeah. You be X-rated too. Gonna get my meat off.
Fellas, come on in. We've got more contact than American football.
Dude,
Nice.
Time to browse some fake zoobs.
oh yeah, the sea of silicone.
Oh yeah, those are exactly what I want.
Everyone wants these. You want a private dance, sweetie?
Yeah. No, I want to get implants. What's it like having them?
They're fabulous. They've made things like education, social skills, and talent totally unnecessary.
Righteous. Not to mention they feel good when you squeeze them.
I thought it was full contact!
Oh, it's never been this swollen. Purple. Oh. Oh. What? Ah! Maybe I should read this. Dear Saul, this is Ricky. The pressure is too much. I've decided to run away instead of competing. Bellissimo. Wickens? Wow!
That book was smart. I never read anything so fast.
Ricky's run away, Doug. We're up Larry's Creek without a butcher.
Well, what about me, baby?
You're a freaking janitor!
Covet thy penetrable animals, in the butcher solstice shall cometh.
That's Cabode's epilogue 3211.
Read it twice, yo.
Here, put these on. It's gonna be a bumpy flight to Butcherdom. Here. Yeah, better put this on too.
Listen when you use a knife to cut the meat.
What the hell you mean I don't know what you...
Come on! To cut some meat, you gotta really know what now.
I'm trying to become a butcher. Why the hell I gotta suck this dirty teeth?
Hey! You gotta learn the milk that marinates the meat.
I really don't understand what this has
Hey,
to do with...
shut up, okay?
Alright.
You're trying to become a butcher.
I'm almost becoming a butcher.
Come on! To get the skills, you gotta free for cutting steak!
Extreme butchery, yo! Check this meat I made!
I'm proud of you, Buzz! I'm gonna go land the goddamn plane! I am a butcher! I am a butcher!
Thanks, yo. I learned a lot this afternoon.
Hey, I didn't teach you anything you didn't already read in Roch Cabode's Bible.
Did you know, Rots?
Rots taught my great-grandpaddy Dalibor Butcher firsthand, just before he was crucified.
Ross was crucified?
He used to wander the streets of Steeltown, spreading the word of proper butchery techniques and theories. People thought him to be a witch.
So they nailed him to a cross?
No, they gave him a book deal.
I thought you said he was crucified.
Did I say crucified? Oh, I meant publicized.
Huh? Tied up with sausages? Where the shit am I? A hook! A cleaver! A table? Oh shit! Doggy style! Doggy style? My knees will totally get dirty. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a shadow! And a silhouetted axe! And it's moving closer! And closer! And there's chicken in my mouth! Oh, God, no! God, no! Please!
I'm a Margio Jones, a Giorgio Jones's wife. I brought a toast. This was your dinner. Don't you like chicken?
Ah, you have weird boobs.
I'm hideous.
Oh, no. Well, yeah, they're mangled. What happened?
It was a breast implant. Giorgio could only afford to buy me one and put the other on layaway. But my implant exploded before I could get the second one.
So that's your real boob. And that one exploded? Ugh, how?
I was at the rock concert. The band was playing some really high notes. He hit what I've been told is a high E, and my implant exploded!
High E did that?
I vowed never to listen to music again. Well, at least not to music with high E.
Wow. And to think I was gonna get implants. I don't know if I could give up high E for a couple of pontoons. Thank you, Margio. You know, I think you are as beautiful as you are.
Yeah, but I'm half the woman.
With twice the freakiness. Guys love weird boobs. I do.
Thank you, Ricky Butcher. This is the only way out. Be free!
You're telling me that this bloody hole is my only option?
Mm-hmm.
Righteous.
Yikes.
Welcome to Meat Club, where each contestant is given an uncut side of beef and needs to successfully chop out all the prime cuts in record time while standing in 3 feet of water. Get it on!
Come on! I can't swim, yo! There's a first time for learning!
Sick! Oh, there's definitely something alive down there.
What? Giorgio's? I'm still lost in Giorgio's hole? God. Righteous! That. Money.
I will make everything right.
Missed him.
Needle their own asses, Dougie!
Soul Butcher?
Whatever it is you think I did, I didn't do it.
Oh, no, me big fan. Me love you a long time.
Whatever it is you're selling, I don't want none.
Sign this, please. Free sign.
Oh, Whatever.
Hold still!
There you go.
Arigato.
What the hell is that about?
And Doug Borsky is clearly the janitor in this match.
Cut it with thine own love!
And the meat shall inherit the mouth.
The power of rats compels you! The power of rats compels you! The power of rats compels you!
I'm coming!
Your parents were not eaten by a lion, so you can lose their stuff! You did it, Dougie! Woo!
And it's Doug Borsky with the win. Just kidding!
What you talking about?
Doug Borsky has been disqualified for left-handedness.
This defies the laws of truth!
Yeah, I'm not left-handed.
Giorgio wins! Bellissimo!
Well, I'm taking this! Left-handed.
Dog,
Who the hell are you?
Giorgio kidnapped Ricky and forged a letter to you guys.
For serious?
Serious as these.
Weird.
I know, they're great, yes?
One flism and one flassum? Freaky. I like that. Jojo done kidnapped Ricky. He done broke the rules.
If I can't have you, nobody will you have.
Stop! Okay, the word of the butchers. You were saying before, like a contract, right?
Yes, Doug, it's a contract of the verbal species.
And if Giorgio Dunn did something unfair, that would break the contract, right?
If he did anything wacky, the deal would be off, the debt erased.
Damn! Well, guess what?
1 sec. You were saying?
Whoa! I blowed up the shop for nothing? Why didn't you tell me Giorgio kidnapped Ricky?
I was trying!
Oh, you were babbling on with your janitor jive!
What the hell happened?
I was trying to protect the shop!
Don't worry, Saul. We can rebuild this mother.
Hey, I stole like $20,000 out of Giorgio's cellar.
Bongo.
And got these! Sweet teats, huh? Piss off!
Hey, Saul!
Kip? Are you an angel?
My mix of Ode to My Brother went double shiny disc in Japan. Here's your royalties, you rock star.
I love Asians!
Easy.
Ricky, in your abstinence, Doug here proved himself, beyond the shadow of a scout, the butcher of this month. Here you go.
Damn, Skippy.
So this song isn't for you anymore, Rick. Now it's for Doug. Ignore the lyrics, Doug.
Yeah!
Does it every time. See you, boys.
See ya, Kip, and thank you! Give me that. Here.
What you doing? I'm a butcher now.
Whatever, Lefty. Clean up his boobs, will ya?
Sons of Butcher! Hi, I'm Ricky Butcher, and I'm here to talk to all the moms about implants. See, they don't actually explode. They'll increase your chances of getting jobs, getting laid, and meeting me. And I don't have time for itty-bitty titty. So get off your fat rumps and get some righteous lumps. Oh yeah, and be careful. High E will explode them.